better than new in Mirabay. This beautifully designed 3-bedroom, 3-bath home offers 2,184 square feet of well-planned living space in the highly desirable, low-maintenance area of Mirabay. The front of the home is situated on a lovely park-like view with a cozy communal yet distinctly private feel. Views of the front park area are available from the expansive front porch and large primary bedroom. This home is within steps the parameter of the Wolf Creek Nature Preserve, which extends with walking trails all the way down to Tampa Bay. With many homes affected by the devastation of Hurricane Helene, unlike many neighborhoods that face flooding, the Mirabay community is built at elevated heights, and all homes have remained high and dry. With its strategic design and flood-resilient location, Mirabay continues to provide peace of mind and protection, making it a standout choice for homeowners. Home features the perfect layout for functionality and practicality. The kitchen is perfect for anyone who enjoys cooking, with light granite countertops, upgraded cabinetry, double ovens, a large island, a gas range, and pull-out shelving in the large pantry, ideal for prepping and entertaining. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath with double vanity, and a versatile loft area, great for a home office, playroom, or entertainment space. The spacious main floor primary suite features a large ensuite master bath with dual vanities and tons of built-in storage. You will love the upgraded walk-in shower with a bench and dual shower heads. The master suite also features a large 8x10 walk-in closet with custom shelving, drawers and organization, providing plenty of storage. This home is loaded with modern conveniences, including energy-efficient features like a tankless gas water heater, 3 gas lines in the kitchen, and hurricane shutters for added protection. Smart home upgrades include thermostats, smart switches, rain gutter system, water softener system and ceiling fans throughout. The cozy and private screened lanai offers a great spot for outdoor relaxation, and the garage stands out with overhead shelving for extra storage and epoxy flooring so clean, you could practically eat off of it. This home is designed with an extra long drive for additional parking, and guest parking is directly behind the home. Perfect for gatherings and entertaining. Living in Mirabay means access to incredible community amenities, including a beach entry pool with a water slide, tennis, basketball and pickleball. Mirabay is a golf cart-friendly community with many organized events and social clubs and opportunities. Water lovers will enjoy the kayaks and paddle boards available for residents. With landscaping, irrigation, and water included in the economical HOA, you can focus on enjoying the Florida lifestyle.